khatti mitti chutney, I have washed the tamarind and I will soak it in warm water around about 1 to 2 hours, and I will strain out the pulp. And now I will add this in the mixer jar. Along with it, I'm going to add some dates. The khajur or dates will give a very good taste to it. And I'm going to mix them together with the pulp in a mixer jar. Now I will pour it in another bowl and set aside. Now I will heat oil, round about 1 teaspoon of oil, and into it I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds, and I'm going to add hing, just 1/4 teaspoon of hing. And when the jeera flatters, at that time I'm going to add the pulp here. I'm adding red chilli powder, 1/2 teaspoon into it, and I will add salt according to taste. See, I have grinded the dates a little bit coarse so that when it comes in the mouth it tastes wonderful. So you can blend it together into the smooth paste, or you can keep a little bit of coarse the dates like me. And now I will add some jaggery or gur according to your taste, because it's a khatti mitti chutney, so sour and sweet in taste it will become. And when it becomes thick, switch off the gas and cool it down and enjoy. You can enjoy this chutney with samosa or any chaat. Now comes for the hari chutney. For this I have used here around about 1/2 cup of mint, 1/2 cup of coriander leaves, mint leaves, coriander leaves, some green chilies, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, and 1/2 inch of ginger. And I will grind it everything along with 2 tablespoons of lime juice, little bit of water, and salt according to taste. And I will make it into a smooth paste. And see, the paste has come out, but I need to grind it more, so I'm adding a little bit of more water, just few drops of water, and I'll get into a smooth paste. See, I need a smooth paste here. You can use this chutney for about a month. Just keep it in the airtight container into the freezer, and you can use it for a month. And you can use these chutneys in any type of snacks or chaats. Do enjoy and let me know in the comment section. Bye bye, take care.